Big fishes. Oh, they sell gold too. Indian. How will you survive here?
When I was a kid, we had this kind of market in front of our house.
The house that you're staying in now?
No, the old one. We've been there together. That was quite busy market. Now they are there.
Ganja market.
Yeah.
And only local people?
And there's no tourists.
No tourists. There's space to sit.
Yeah.
You can enjoy your food.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a very small market. This is it, right?
I think so. That's why it's fashion, the
Oh,
clothing.
yeah. What do you feel like eating? Depends on you. You need to be the first one. I can say it's not like fully fermented, but it's like good flavored kimchi. How is it? That's really nice.
Mixy.
The noodle looks really nice.
아직 못 채웠어요. 미안해.
Wait. 됐어. Thank you.
Put the soup there.
Okay.
방해찌개 하고 갔다 와서 또 물을 해야 돼. 얼마나 힘들어. 일로 앉으세요, 뒤로. 안녕하세요.
She waved at it. I was so shy. Oh, there's a flower shop.
기동사람 아닌데 지나가는 시장이 너무 좋아서 그냥 섰어요.
이 동네는 다 여기 우리 집 포상 이 동네 사
No, you stop. I. What do you? It's actually a big market. It's just the layout is different. And there's some big mountain and hill. Wow, that looks really fresh. No?
Yes, that's right.
It looks really fresh and crunchy.
Looks fresh and crunchy. Wow. Looks nice.
Yeah, that looks nice. The fried thingies.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's the egg. The whole egg, boiled egg, and they fried it.
Oh.
That goes really well with the tteokbokki sauce. Because they overcook the boil, the boiled egg, so the yolk is completely overcooked.
Munes.
Yeah.
Munes.
What?
Mune.
Muno.
I had so much confidence. They want to be like a Gwanjang market?
No, I mean they want to have just like that. Because this market is nothing different from them, but only because
관광이고요.
many.
Oh, it's broken into pieces?
That looks good.
I have a picture of me in a Hanok thingy. Yes, I met I told you, I met the old random lady. Why do insects need a hotel?
Because lots of people now use chemical to grow lots of plants. So they
Insect hotel. A little bit cute, no?
very considerate.
Very considerate.
Yeah. Nice human.
Let's go this way. But what kind of money do insects have?
They bring some honey.
Honeys?
Yeah,
Oh, they pay in honeys?
of course.
You know bees don't live in like that thingies, right?
Other insects can get honey too.
Other insects cannot get honey.
Yes, they can. They have their own market.
Oh.
Buy from her. Yeah, museum there.
I think I saw that one when you came. You can look.
인절미 빙수.
Yeah. There's a menu there. Do you want to see? Oh, it's not ice cream. It's a whole chocolate. It's a sherbet.
There's more parking,
Parking. Oh.
but it says it's full.
One minute over.
It looks similar to one we saw in Thailand
Yeah.
when we went up the temple on the mountain in Bangkok.
Yeah. The stone things.
They had so many of these stone turtles.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. What a good weather.
What a good weather.
Good? Because, wow.
지나고 나서 와야 돼.
We're just walking random street.
I'm literally so lucky. If we see it, I was gonna look for it and then tell you once I know where it was. Not just whipped cream, some other stuff.
I said whipped cream.